Hello student, we are going to start the two-dimension array. Two-dimension array is combination of multiple Gaussian columns as earlier we have seen. Python provides many ways to create the two-dimension array, or we can create array with the help of list and array, two-dimension list and array. In two-dimension array, we can see rows and columns will be there. Rows is called index and its column. Its size will be 3 comma 4. Many ways are there to create the 2D array, uh, two-dimension array. First, by using the list. In list, we can see two dimensions. If we want to create it through the list, first we have to provide the first list, second list, and wrapping up this list inside another list. Okay. For first, we have to import one file that is called numpy as a np array. Numpy array, and np is alias name of numpy. So np dot array is there. First function array is there. With the help of this one, we can create here 1D array. Only axis 0 will be here. In 2D array, axis 0 and axis 1 is there. And 3D array, axis 1, 0, 1 and 2. Three axes will be there. If you are talking about the shape of this one, the syntax of shape is shape axis 0 comma axis 1 comma axis 2. So in 1D array, only one axis will be there, that denoted by 0. Okay, horizontally. And how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there. That's why it is showing the 4. In this one, 2D array, we can see axis denoted the vertically and axis 1 denoted by horizontally element, denoted to the horizontally element. That we can see its first one axis 0 is here, it is axis 1 is here. Now we can see 0, 2 elements are there, 1 and 2, 5.2 and 9.1, that's why it is 2. And here is 3 columns are there, that's why 3. In this one you can see 4 axis 0 per 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, and here 1, 2, 3, that's why 3, and last one axis 1 is 2, that's why 2 is here. Okay, and way to create a 2D array using the arrange function. We will not use double R. Arrange and reshape combinedly we can use. NP arrays, as we know, numpy array is a arrange 10, means it will store the 0 to 9 elements, and then after we can reshape 5 comma 2. Reshape 5 comma 2 means it will divide into two parts. 5 index will be there and 2 columns will be there, or we can reshape by 2 index and 5 columns will be there. Okay, creating the 2D array using the different function. First we have to import the this one, then after np empty function. Empty function which store the will store the empty, means empty will be there, value 4 element it will store for 2 into 2. In zeros function, all value will store into zeros, and we know by default it will take the float type of value. If you want to store the integer type of value, we can use the another argument d types, that is store the integer type of value. All value zeros, you can see here is floating value, that's why 0.1, and here is only 0, so it will be here. Okay, and then creating more functions are there, like once it will store the 2 into 2 matrix. It will create the once will create the 2 into 2 matrix, will hold the value 1. By default float will be there 1.1, 1 point. Okay, now full with 7 means 2 into 2 will be there, but its element will be only 7. Random value will be stored. I, it's create the 5 into 5 array with value 0 at the non-diagonal and position, and 1 with the diagonal position. Okay, now we are talking about the save of AND array. To the safe, earlier I have told axis 0, axis 1 and axis 1, 2 will be there. Means how many elements are there in axis 0, how many elements are there in axis 1, how many elements are there in axis 2. Now 7, 2, 9, 10. We are talking about this one array. If we will create with the help of list, we can say shape will provide the only 4, because on here only axis 0 will be here and it is show the 4 elements. That's why 4 is here. In this one, 2-dimension array is here. 1 2 3 1 2 3, 2 index are there, that's why 2 is here. 1 2 3, 3 columns are there, that's why 3. In axis 1, 3 is there, that's why it is called 3. We can see here shape axis this one, and we can see the value in axis 0, 2 is there, axis 1, 3 are there, that's why 2 and 3 is here. Okay, is it clear? In this one, so the alt. Okay, in have you got? Thank you.